Why trade Forex? While many traders are aware of the benefits of trading on the stock exchange, few new traders understand the advantages of trading Forex. This market is gaining in popularity because it offers many benefits that they don't get with other markets. Here are a few reasons why trading Forex has gained so much favor among traders. No commissions. No one likes to pay fees to make money. On Forex, traders do not need to pay clearing fees, exchange fees, government fees, or brokerage fees. Quite simply, traders don't have to give away any part of their profits to these fees. Retail brokers on Forex are compensated through the bid-ask spread, which will be explained in further detail later. No middlemen. Traders can trade directly with the market instead of relying on a middleman to make the trades for them. No fixed lot size. When trading Forex, traders can participate with $25 or less. Traders determine their own lot, which makes the market accessible to just about everyone. 24-hour market. Traders can trade at any time of the day or night, which makes it easy for part-time traders to decide when they want to trade. The Australia market opens on Monday mornings and it closes in New York on Friday afternoons. Low-cost transactions. The transaction cost for trades is usually less than 0.1%. This is the bid-ask spread where brokers make their money. With larger brokerage companies, the cost per transaction can be as low as 0.07%. The market cannot be controlled. This market is so big and encompasses so many traders that it cannot be controlled by any single entity for any length of time. Entry into Forex is easy. It can be easy to think that it would cost a small fortune to begin trading currency. But in actuality, most online Forex brokers offer trading accounts for as low as $25 and sometimes less. This doesn't mean that traders should start with that small of an account, but it does mean that traders can start without a lot of startup capital. High liquid. The Forex market is huge, which means it is also highly liquid. Traders do not get stuck with a trade because there is almost always someone who is willing to take what is being offered. In fact, traders are able to set a limit order so that when they reach the profit level they want, the trade can be closed. They can also set up a stop loss order to close a trade if it's going the wrong way. More leverage. Small deposits are able to control larger contract values, which gives traders the ability to reap significant profits and keep risk capital low. Free information and practice. Almost all online Forex brokers provide free demo accounts to give potential traders practice before trying the real thing. This is a great way for traders to build their skills and risk fake money before risking real money on the actual Forex. Why day trade? Day trading is one opportunity that can provide participants with complete personal and financial freedom. Of course, there are certain risks, but there are at least 10 reasons why day trading is such a popular profession. Race, gender, social status, education and background do not matter when you day trade. All that matters is that you have some money available for trading. There are no bosses to answer to and no employees to pay. The only person you have to worry about is your broker, and if your broker isn't doing his job, there are many others who will. You can work from home and not pay rent on an office or carry an inventory of goods. There is no face-to-face contact with customers, so you don't have to worry about customer service, invoices, return checks, or any other customer-related hassles. You can trade on your time. If you only want to trade part-time, you can do that. There isn't an 8-hour commitment like with a traditional job. You do not need a ton of money to begin your trading business. Trades can be converted into cash in mere seconds. You don't have to wait for payday to roll around to get money when you need it. Low transaction costs and no commissions means you keep more of your profits. Trading can be learned quickly and easily without a college degree. You also don't need years of experience to begin trading Forex. Minimal requirements are necessary to begin trading. All you need is a computer with a stable internet connection, an online broker to provide you with trading tools, a funded trading account, and a solid trading strategy.